Hi everyone, good afternoon. I am recording the tech lesson for today early because I have some other things that I will be doing at 4 o'clock. So I hope you all enjoyed this. We're doing Bitsbox, and the new one for August has come out, so we're going to be working on that. In the description of this YouTube video below, there is the link to the PDF, and I will also provide the link to bitsbox.com. You go in, up at the top right, you'll click on Kids, sign in, and then you will go to New App when the little iPad looking thing pops up, and you then will enter the code. The one we're doing today is going to be 3555. Who's hiding Harold? Let me share my screen with you guys. All right, so we will start. As per the usual, make sure that you're typing everything as correctly as possible. Punctuation, spelling, all very important. My little window box here. So I hope you all have been having a good day or have enjoyed the break. I know some of you may or may not be starting school now, so I hope that that's all going well too. So from my understanding, this game that we're coding is going to basically hide an egg, maybe, and then you figure out which one is the chicken. I'm not sure exactly, but I'm assuming that's what it is. So the first line is filling the background, and then the next one is saying that whenever in a line of code you use hen, it will use the chicken stamp. So these are all pre-allotted into the program, so it just knows that when it says chicken, that means to pull up the little JPEG of a chicken that's pre-stored in the software. Same thing with egg. Egg equals a stamp, and it wants you to take the stamp of egg number 6, and then it's asking to put the coordinates in the X, Y axis of where to place it and the size and all of that stuff. Just for fun, we'll run it and see what happens. There we go. Here's a chicken. An egg with a chicken in it. And it splices it there. All right, cool. So moving on. Now we're going to start working on adding some extra ones. So it's going to do A, B, and C, which then allows the program to know that there's different pictures each, if that makes sense. So that it can differentiate the difference between the different stamps, so that when you click on them, it knows what in the world is going on. Because programming logic is very, very logical. It does exactly what you say. It does not think for itself. It will not do anything extra for you. It's just like, all right, you told me A, so it therefore is A, even if that doesn't make any sense. You told me, so that's all that I care about. Okay, so we're adding the different stamps here for other hens and locations. And then we are telling it that if somebody taps or clicks on A, we will lift. And now the program doesn't know what lift means. It just knows that, well, we're referencing it. So it will then go into code, and we will have to tell it what lift means when it is referenced. So now when any of the stamps are clicked on, it will do whatever lift means. So then we go down here and we create a function. And highlights in blue and all of that to let you know that that is in fact a function. And we're telling it, hey, look, the function is lift. And this, which is whatever the lift is tied to, which in this case is stamp A, B, and C, we're going to take it and move whatever it is, so the stamp, up 200 pixels. And if whatever this is happens to equal B stamp, we're going to take the egg and move it. In the X direction, 850 pixels. All the measurements are in pixels. So when you're like hovering over the screen here, it's like 1 pixel, 2, well, I can't do 1 pixel, but you get the picture. You can see it kind of on the left there. Egg, unhide. We don't play the song. And the song is, again, a pre-done thing in the software, so we're just referencing something in the code database, which is called sporting. We play it for, I'm assuming this is 50 milliseconds, not regular seconds. So if none of that happened, we are going to instead, or else, play another sound, and this sound is going to be the bloop sound, which again is a pre-referenced name to the database. There we go. Let's run it, see what happens. Hey, look, some chickens. Aha, I've made the chicken disappear. Okay. And now, we mix it up. So we're telling the code, the program, what I is. And then we're telling it another function to do. So if I is greater than 20, then we're going to randomize it. telling it how to randomize it. And what to do while it's randomizing, which is doing the move function. And how much to move in pixels. That to move in the number of pixels. And that I equals I plus 1, which makes it random-ish. Very simple amount of random. And we give it a little bit of delay to add some pizzazz. See what that does. Yeah, a whole lot of nothing. Right, and to the last bit here, which seems to be the function to start the whole dang process. We're telling it to hide the egg at the start by moving B down 200 pixels, and then delaying it for some more pizzazz. A 1,000 milliseconds. That ought to be it. Oh boy, I probably should have actually looked beforehand. Nope. Haha, there we go. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is fix that. I'm not listening to that whole time. No, don't start yet. All right. That, okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh no. Oh no, I've lost it. Dang it. Ah, that's unfortunate. All right, so there you go. You have the working code. You can swap it up some, change the sounds, change the pictures. Say that. Ah, but now program, as you can tell. There's some extra stuff that could be done with the program to make it a little bit more streamlined, efficient, and nice. But in general, we've done very well, I think. And the music says so. So I hope you all have a good one. That's going to be the end of it. So I'll see you all next time. Bye. Have a great time.